If you are excited when you're trading or when you're trying to get into trade, you're doing it wrong, my friend. And in this video, I'll tell you why. It's probably one of the biggest reasons why you're losing most trades and why I was losing trades as well. So this is a little bit of a story of how I become from unprofitable trader to profitable trader now. For those who don't know my story, I'm trading for the past almost 2 years. After about 8 months, I got funded for 400k with Alpha Capital, made the 2 withdrawals, and then a few months or several months, I had no more withdrawals, and then I blew the account, and I just got recently funded again with Alpha Capital for 100k, and today is Friday, and yesterday, before I just went to sleep, I requested payout. I didn't screen record, so I'm just gonna show you somewhere here to prove that I requested a payout. Small payout, but it's a consistent payout. It's not about how big you can make your payouts. It's about how many payouts you can make before you blow your account. So in terms of if you're too excited, I tell you what, when I was excited to trade, to enter the trade, for an example, I was looking at the charts on Sunday, prepare my analysis, everything looked good, and I will have to wait for the trade. Comes to the Monday, and guess what happens? The market's open, you look at the chart, and you get too excited, as I did, and I said to myself, you know what? This trade is not exactly at my area of interest or my support or resistance, but it's close enough. You know, it got some sort of confirmation that I can enter the trade. Let me just enter the trade and see. And that's exactly why I lost, because I got too excited about this. Enter the trade. And then lost it. I thought someone is behind me. Because I'm recording here outside, you know. So, for example, yesterday, when I requested my second payout, when I closed the trade, I requested payout, went back to sleep. No excitement, no feeling sort of good or amazing, feeling like, oh my god, yes, I've got another couple $100 withdrawal, or I just made another successful payout, or I just made profits. Nothing. Just called, press the button, request payout, done. Same thing as when I entered the trade this week. I was holding this trade GBP AUD at the beginning of the, I believe I entered on Monday or Tuesday, I'm not sure now. And I hold it basically for over 3 or 4 days. I'm swing trade, so that's what I do. I hold the trades for a couple of days, sometimes hours, but usually a couple of days, 2, 3, 4 days. And when I was entering the trade, I felt no excitement at all. I was like looking at the chart, it ticked all my boxes for entering the trade, such as, you know, is all times frame bearish? Do I get the engulfing candlestick? Do I get any shift of structure, etc.? And all those things, just check the box, and I looked at it, and I just non-emotionally, basically cold-hearted, entered the trade, and then just waited. That's it. When it was getting to my target profit, I gotta be honest, I did get a little bit emotional, so I was watching the charts a little bit more, but other than that, nothing, just cold-hearted. And I believe that's the reason why you are not profitable, because that's what's stopping me being profitable. Another example, you know, you enter the trade, you lose the trade, and then because you are bored, or you said to yourself, I gotta win it back, you entered another trade and you lose it again. I believe the worst thing about trading in general is boredom. It's good and bad. Like, if you are bored, it's probably mean that you crack the code and sooner or later or already you are profitable. That's what happened to me. When you're excited, it's just you kind of, It's just a euphoria. Like, you can be excited when you're going to the club, when you're going to the party, when you're going to hang out with the girl, but not in trading. Trading has to be just plain and simple. Do you have emotions when you're trading? Of course, I do have emotions as well. But if you can control it, you can be profitable. By the way, I have a free Telegram group channel. It's down. The link is down below the description. You can join. You can follow all my trades for absolutely for free. I share my thoughts. I share my trades and the mindset and everything behind it. How I got funded. So, how long that's gonna be for free? I don't really know, my friend. For now, it's free. So I suggest you just to join and enjoy the free trades signals, for example. But I will not say just to follow blindly my trades, because sooner or later you will lose. I will suggest you to, of course you can enter the trades where I'm sending, no financial advice, but I want you to analyze why I entered the trade or why I exited the trade, etc. Because when I was following some other so-called gurus, yes, I entered some of the trades which they sent, but I also looked at the chart and I'm thinking to myself, why this person entered the trade? Why now? Why not tomorrow? Why not in 1 hour? Why after or before news? All these questions you're gonna ask yourself, and looking at charts, why the person entered the trade. So join. The link is down below the description. I'll see you there. It's not that big. It's very small. Anyway, back to the boardroom. So I would say, don't be too excited. I know it's kind of hard sometimes, especially from beginning, because it's something new and you want to make money fast. And I was thinking that way as well. And honestly, it really doesn't work that way. It's really, when you're trying to make money, not following your trading strategy, whatever it might be, the trading strategy. I hope you have some trading strategy, because if you don't, you're just gambling. Then, if you just follow it, you're gonna make it sooner or later.